Good morning. I'm going to start my supper this morning and let it cook all day in the Hot Logic portable oven. This is the family size. It holds a 9 by 13 casserole dish or pan or any kind of container that size. And I'm going to use a few simple ingredients for today's supper. And it's so easy to start this in the morning in a few minutes. Here's the ingredients I'm going to use. I have a 12-ounce bag of fresh green beans. These are long style. They're not cut or trimmed. I'm just going to check and make sure the ends are trimmed off before I add them. I have a container that's 16 ounces of potato gnocchi, and this is from the dairy section. It's moist, it's not dried, but it's not cooked yet. Alright, and I'm going to use some vegetable stock and a can of corned beef hash. This is Hormel hash. Alright, I'll show you how I'm going to put this together, starting with my casserole dish. Let's make room for this so you can see what I'm doing. The first ingredient that I'm going to put in the casserole dish is the corned beef hash. And this is pretty compact in the can, so I'm going to fluff it out here a little bit and spread it around. Now this has a lot of salt in it, so I won't be adding any salt or pepper to this dish because we already have a lot of seasonings in the hash. You'll be amazed how much flavor this gives your dish because it's packed with flavor. There's potatoes and beef. Next ingredient is the green beans. I'm going to open this up. This is a microwave bag. You can microwave right in this bag. It's from Wegmans, so they're washed and trimmed. And I just want to make sure there's no hard ends on these. But I'm going to spread them out on top. These are really nice quality green beans, and they're very convenient to add to some of your meals. Alright, you want to make sure they're all over the place so every bite that people pick up out of here will have some green beans in it. Nice. Alright, next ingredient is the gnocchi. Now these are kind of stuck together too because they've been pressed in here. They need to expand and absorb some liquid. So let's spread them out so that they're not touching each other. And a lot of people like gnocchi in soup, or they like it with sauces on, all kinds of different sauces. So they really make a nice dinner if you add this to some other ingredients. Alright, so they're all broken apart and they're all nice and moist. So I'm going to take some vegetable stock and add this. Now if you'd like to add beef stock or chicken stock or anything else, I think that works just fine. Just use whatever you have in your house or whatever flavors you like. And I'm not going to skimp on this because the gnocchi does need to absorb a lot of liquid as it cooks today. And when we open this up, we'll stir it up a little bit. But I didn't use the whole container, about half the container. If you want to look from the side, it's a little bit on the meat, but as it cooks today, it'll steam and flavor and moisturize all that gnocchi on top. Alright, do you see how easy that is to make dinner tonight? Woo! Love it. Now, I won't be here to open the package. Rick will be here when he wakes up, and I'll ask him to show you how it looks. Now, I'm putting it in the Hot Logic family size As you probably know, this has a warming tray inside. And this is what cooks the gnocchi all day long. Or whatever you put in here. It's a nice slow cooker temperature. As if you had a slow cooker on low, that's the temperature you're going to get here as it cooks all day. This is going to be in here about 8 hours. I'm going to plug it in, and Rick will be back to show you the results. If you like it, give it a try. It's a nice quick recipe you can do while your coffee's brewing. That's what I'm doing.
I'm awake. It's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's time to eat. Something good in the Hot Logic. Let me unplug it and open it up. There's a note here. It tells me what it is. Gnocchi and hash. Corned beef hash. Green beans and potato gnocchi. Gnocchi. We'll see. I know I'm hungry. It's gonna be good? It's gonna be good. Whoa! This is good. Like a dish. And dish it out. Where's corned beef hash? Oh, it's on the bottom. Oh yeah. There it is. Mmm. I like corned beef hash. Let me get a slotted spoon for that. Matching slotted spoon. Get the hash out of there. That's a good meal to wake up to, isn't it? Mmm. Taste it. Gnocchi. Gnocchio. Mmm. I like potato-y. Mmm. I like it. Mmm. That's like a Sunday dinner on Friday. I don't even know what day it is. Alright, that's why this is so convenient when you sleep and work weird hours. Did you get a Hot Logic yet? Check them out, they're amazing. Let me close this up for whoever wants to eat next. Alright? See ya! Have a nice day.